Hello again guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today I'll be cooking one of the Philippines' favorite noodle recipe that every Filipino have their own version of this recipe, but the province of Batangas is very popular on this dish. This is called Luming Batangas. By the way guys, most of our viewers are non-subscribers, so consider giving us a follow by subscribing. It's free and it will help us continue to grow our YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Now here are our ingredients. Garlic, fish sauce, soy sauce, onion, pork broth, our fresh handmade noodles, pork, egg, pork liver, cornflour, salt, ground black pepper, and for our topping, sausage, egg, bacon, and onion spring. First, season our meat by salt and pepper. Just mix it. And set aside. Now, the pork liver, seasoned with salt and pepper also. And mix. Now, let's start cooking. On a clean pan, just pour in some oil and start sauteing or cooking our pork meat. While cooking our meat, set aside and start cooking our toppings. Let's boil some oil and deep fry the sausage and bacon. Now it's ready. Let's set aside. Going back to our fork, just mix it until golden brown in color. And take it from the pan. Then set aside. On the same pan, let's cook our pork liver. Just make sure that the liver is not overcooked or else it will give us a grainy consistency. Now it's ready. Time to take it from the pan and set aside as well. On the same pan, let's saute our garlic. Stir it until golden brown in color before adding our onion. This point in time, we're going to add our water. I'm using a boiled water to quicken the process. If you are using a pork broth, you don't need to use cube on this recipe dish. Now it's time to add our pork cube. Just make sure that it's completely dissolved on the water. Followed by soy sauce. And fish sauce. Just keep stirring before adding other ingredients. Now let's add the ground black pepper. And salt. Now it's time to add our handmade fresh noodles that we just made from our recently uploaded video. And cover. Bring it to boil. Now it's time to add our pork that we just cooked earlier. And liver. I left some liver and pork for the toppings. Also the beaten egg. Just keep stirring so that the egg will not coagulate on the sauce. To make our sauce thick, we're going to add our slurry of cornstarch that is dissolved on water. Just keep stirring until a thick consistency is achieved. At this point in time, our sauce is thick and it's now ready. Now it's time to taste our lomi. Okay, it's ready now. Let's plate it. And use our toppings that we just cooked earlier. Our sausage, bacon, and pre-cooked egg, as well as the remaining pork and liver. For you guys, for more videos of DIY and cooking, you may wish to check out our other YouTube videos, Facebook page, Instagram, TikTok at Lutuing Pinoy Abroad. Now, here is the famous Loming Batangas. Enjoy it with your family and loved ones and share the flavor of this sumptuous lomi. Once again, our Looming Batangas. Thank you very much for watching. God bless. Enjoy cooking. Happy eating. Bye-bye.